Want to make $500,000 flipping a house in Truckee, California? Then watch this video all the way to the end. This is a bank-owned drug house. It's located on the 8th fairway in Tahoe, Donner. The 2,800 square foot home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a formal dining room, laundry room, bonus room with a wet bar, a loft, and a 2-car garage. It's currently listed for sale for $695,000. Its after repair value is $1.4 million. It's been fully remediated on the interior and simply needs to be put back together. It needs some new insulation, some sheetrock, some flooring, paint, a mechanical system, light fixtures, and a quick tune-up on the exterior. The good news is a lot of people are going to be afraid to buy this house. The bad news is they're going to be afraid to buy this house because 2 people died of drug-related causes inside. But where there's fear, there's opportunity. As Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. For more information, hit me up in the DMs.
I am the danger.